In 2026, achieving true energy independence isn't just a dream, it's a necessity. With rising utility rates and unpredictable weather across the US, choosing the right energy storage system is the ultimate power move. Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 solar LiFePO4 batteries dominating the market this year. We're looking at raw power, smart management, and the best return on investment for your home grid. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, the LiFePO4 48V Scalable Battery Pack System. If your goal is a complete whole home backup capable of running central AC units and heavy appliances simultaneously, this is your solution. Offering massive modular configurations from 100 amp hours up to a staggering 600 amp hours, this 51.2-volt Powerhouse delivers up to 30 kilowatts of peak solar power. Equipped with a robust 16S 200 amp battery management system, it guarantees over 6,000 deep charge cycles. It's an absolute beast designed for long-term energy resilience. Coming in at number 4 is the LiFePO4 48V 300AH 15 kilowatt-hour battery. This model represents the absolute sweet spot for the average American household. It packs 15 kilowatt-hours of usable energy into a single highly efficient footprint. Just like our number 5 spot, it features the heavy-duty 16S 200 amp BMS, protecting your system from overcharging and thermal anomalies while maintaining universal compatibility with major off-grid and hybrid inverters. With over 6,000 cycles, it promises well over a decade of daily peak shaving performance to crush those high daytime utility bills. At number 3, we have the Smart LiFePO4 48V Bluetooth series. Available in highly flexible 100, 120, and 150 amp-hour capacities, this unit is perfect for builders who want to start small and expand over time. The standout feature here is the integrated Bluetooth BMS. Instead of guessing your system status, you can monitor individual cell health, temperature, and state of charge directly from your phone. Yielding over 5,120 watt-hours in its standard base configuration, it delivers high-end features and 6,000 plus cycles without breaking the bank. Securing the number 2 spot is the Humsienk Server Rack LiFePO4 battery. Built into a standard ultra-clean 3U rack mount form factor, this 48-volt 100 amp-hour module is engineered for extreme longevity. While most standard options stop at 6,000 cycles, Humsienk's premium cell architecture boasts an incredible industry-leading 15,000 cycles. Combined with a smart Bluetooth 100 amp BMS, it is highly versatile. Perfect not just for clean home server rack builds, but also for rugged off-grid RVs, mobile vans, and demanding marine applications, where failure is not an option. And finally, taking our number 1 spot for 2026 is the 48V 300AH Premium 15 kilowatt-hour home energy storage system. This isn't just a battery, it is an intelligent power core for your home grid. Delivering 15 kilowatt-hours of storage and rated for over 6,500 premium cycles, it sets itself apart with advanced dual RS-485 and CAN communication protocols. This allows the battery to communicate directly and flawlessly with your smart hybrid inverter, optimizing charging speeds based on real-time solar data. For the ultimate maintenance-free, future-proof home automation setup, this is the reigning champion. Whether you're looking for massive raw capacity, extreme cycle life, or smart automation, 2026 has the perfect energy storage solution for your setup. Check the links in the description below for the best current pricing and global availability on all 5 of these incredible units. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and drop a comment below on which battery you're choosing for your system. Until next time, keep exploring and stay powered up.